Alright, Darkside Box Breaks. We're doing 15-16 trilogy. Here's our team lists for anybody who can read real quick. There we go. Let's do work. There was no trades.
Work.
So let's do work.
Work. What do you do with paper? You just ripped paper. How dare you?
That's alright. We can rip paper.
You just ripped a trade.
I wish I could find my sharp knife, so I could do this easier, but that's alright.
Right there. Literally by the mouse.
No, sharp knife.
Sharp knife?
Alright.
Oh.
There we go.
Make sure you
50 bucks. Look at all those McDavids we have. This is fun.
That's a lot.
Apologize ahead of time for the loudness of my children.
Love you, Dad.
But here we go. First up, we have a Vladimir Tarasenko for St. Louis. Matt Wilson for Colorado. Nathan McKinnon. This one is an autograph out of 500 for who has this team? Let me look. For Chris K. For the Pittsburgh Penguins. Dennis Brown. Since Chris has 10 teams, he's bound to get a few hits. There's one. Next pack. Sam Reinhart for Buffalo. Mika Zibanejad of Ottawa. Corey Schneider. This one is also an autograph. Of 49. 49. Also going to Chris K. for the Ottawa Senators. Shane Prince, rookie premier level 3 out of 49. Another hit for Chris. That's 2.
Your Sam. Hi.
Next up, Jordan Eberle, Spacer, Jaromir Jagr
Look, you can see it.
from the Vancouver Canucks, the Bo Horvat.
Don't touch
Next up, this one is out of $9.99, not an autograph. It is just merely a rookie premier of the Nashville Predators, Kevin Fiala.
Because I got to choose mine.
Nashville is James Hayes.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Next up, from Nashville for Mr. Hayes, Cal Jinkock,
Congratulations.
Ryan Johansson,
I like you.
Frederick Anderson, and this one is serial numbered for 597 career points, 597. Scott Hartnell of the Columbus Blue Jackets, which is going to Chris again. This trilogy stuff always seems to fill quick. I'm going to have to buy some more of it.
Do it.
This one has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 cards in it. So here we go.
Wow.
Dougie Keith.
Good.
Mark Scheifele. Gustav Nyquist.
I love that.
Ben Bishop. Ryan Suter. Logan Couture. What's the extra card in it? This one is out of 113 for debut season 13-14 for whatever reason. For the rookie from the Buffalo Sabres, which is going to who owns Buffalo? James H. Zemgus Girgensons for James. So far it's been James and Chris getting all the hits with 3 packs left. Trilogy legend, Felix Pauvin. Carey Price. Lindholm. This one is numbered out of 354 for career games played. from the Dallas Stars, which is going to Joey Beat. Tell her Sagan. I think Kit's a Sagan fan, so
I'm good.
forgiveness again for the loudness of the children around here. They'll be sufficiently grounded after this is done.
No! I refuse.
Landeskog. Jonathan Quick.
I'm sorry.
Bear. We have a Mike Liute.
And
Next
Hart.
up is serial numbered out of 281 from the Colorado Avalanche, who is owned by Chris K. Gabriel Landeskog, right at 281. Last pack. Let's hope this is something fantastic. Otherwise,
Otherwise,
see.
you're
Oh,
in debt.
there's something thick in there. So everybody likes the thick stuff.
It might just
So
another one of
first
these
up
things.
is a Mikhail Boddicker. Oh no, it's not.
Oh yeah, the sides are.
Yeah, we have a Sean Couturier,
Jacob Sartorius.
James Van Riemsdyk. Here we go. Let's have a look. See.
I love Jacob Sartorius. They don't.
This one is at a
He's
$5.99,
my favorite YouTuber.
and this goes to Jason Douglas. Winnipeg Jets, Nicholas Patin.
Sweatshirt.
Rookie Premier's jersey
Let me pretend I
at a
care.
$5.99, Nick Patin. For Jason Douglas.
We'll be together.
There you go. That is the box break.
Oh,